I am Shamsul Alam Patwari, Senior Lecturer in Management, Dhaka, Megacity College. Dear student, how are you? I think that you are well by the grace of Allah. Today we discuss about chapter 12, and today's topics is social responsibilities of business. Write down social responsibilities of business. Social responsibilities of business. Business is a social organization. We know that a businessman should serve or provide fresh goods or products to the customer or consumer in time. Then a businessman or business organization serves society people's necessary products on the basis of their demand. There are various types of demand of our social people. Do you know? There are various types of people lives in our society. So is businessman should serve or product provides their products or goods to the customer or consumer or social people on the basis of their demand. Then a businessman or business organization has some responsibilities to the social people, to the government, to the employees or workers, or creditors. Now we discuss about the social responsibilities of business. At first, we discuss about responsibility to the customer and consumer. Customer and consumers. Social responsibility, write down please. Social responsibility to the customer or consumer. Customer or consumer. Business is a social organization and there are various types of customer or consumer. Customer, who is customer and who is consumer? At first we discussed about this. The person who purchases goods from a businessman for selling to his another consumer, that is called customer. Customer sells goods to his customer and earns profit. But consumer purchases goods from a businessman vanishing its means products or goods utility. Sometimes we say customer and consumer are same word, same meaning, but it has some difference. It has some difference. So a business organization or a businessman serves his goods to the customer and consumer in time on the basis of their personal demand. On the basis of their personal demand. A business organization or a businessman should serve refreshed goods without toxic chemicals, or harmful chemicals, because toxic chemical goods or products is harmful for health, is harmful for our society people. So a businessman should serve fresh goods to his customer for earning profit. A businessman should serve their products to the society people in time or within a short time. So first demand or first responsibility, social responsibility to the customer and consumer. Consumer purchases goods from a salesman or manufacturer or producer. Customer purchases goods, producer or manufacturer, and sells it to his consumer. Then we discuss about the responsibility to employees. Responsibility to employees. Responsibility to the employees. A businessman or a business owner has some responsibility to his employees or worker. Employees or worker runs an organization and helps to his owner for selling goods to his customer and consumer. To his customer and consumer. Then we should pay the salary or remuneration in time. Employees or workers always desire to his owner we need salary or remuneration against our work. And a business owner always inspire the workers for completing their task. A business owner inspire the workers or motivate the workers by financial way or non-financial way. When we inspire the workers by giving financial opportunity, that is called financial motivation. Financial motivation means increasing salary, bonus, transport allowance, medical allowance, or house rent and other opportunities. And non-financial opportunities means study tour, sufficient light and air, then picnic, then a cultural program. So a businessman should serve or provide salary or remuneration at first in time. Then the employees or workers inspire in their works. Then we discuss about the responsibility to importers and suppliers. Responsibility to importers and suppliers. Importers and responsibility to importers and suppliers. Business organization or a businessman or a business owner import their goods from another country for selling in his country or in his area and earns profit. And then suppliers supplies goods to his salesman on the basis of people's demand or country's demand. On the basis of people's demand and country's demand. A businessman is a social person. So as a social person, business is a social organization. So business organization or business should pay money or purchasing price in time to the suppliers. Then another responsibility to general communities. Responsibility to general write these documents or points on your copy. Now discuss about responsibility to general communities. There are various types of people. In our society. They have various types of demand, such as Muslim, Hindu, Buddhist, Christian, and different types of nation. So a businessman or business organization should serve their goods or products. On the basis of general communities' demand. Then he will earn more profit. Then he should serve fresh goods or products to his social people. Then a businessman runs his business for a long time. Okay? Then another responsibility to government. Responsibility to government. Responsibility to government. Responsibility to government. Business is a social organization. We should run our business organization on the basis of government rules and policies. Government serves various types of policies and rules and plans and law to the business organization or businessman. According to the government rules, we can run our business according to the government rules. Without government rules, we cannot run our business for a long time or smoothly. Without government rules or policies, we always follow government rules and policies for our business. Because business is a social organization, we can establish our business for social people or country's people. Social people or country's people. We should pay government tax from our business income in time. We should pay government tax, various types of tax in time. Then we should help for the development of the country. We should help government development plans and economic development of the country. Without business organization help or business help, a government could not maintain his country's people or could not develop in his or her country. Government needs financial help, non-financial help from a businessman. Government need what type of help? Yes, financial help and non-financial help. Government always constructs roads and highway, pool or culvert, and develop our electricity, develop our water, develop our telephone or communication, develop our technical way. And develop our communication way. We should help to the government for exporting our goods or products. And we need help from government for exporting our manufacturing goods or products to another country. That is foreign business. And we can import goods or products from another country by the help of the local government or country's government. Without help, government could not develop or economic develop of the country or of the state. We always desire from the government for the development of our business, and government always help us for establishing our business or for running our business or for supplying capital to the business owner for establishing a new business, Government established different types of bank, insurance, and other financial organization for the development of the business organization. Sometimes government arranges training for the development of the businessmen or for increasing efficiency of the business owner, or industrial owner, how to maintain or how to run a business organization. Government help us. So government help us in different ways. On the other hand, we earn more profit, more income from our country or exporting goods to another country and earns more foreign exchange. For this reason, we should pay the tax to the government treasury. Government treasury. And the profit of the business organization helps to develop industrial owner, social people and government. Without the help of the government, without help the businessman, we cannot develop our country. We cannot develop our livelihood without help of the government. That is why we should pay tax in time. We should serve fresh goods or products on the basis of government's demand or according to the law of the government, and we should follow the rules of the government for developing our business sector. Then we can develop our business by using different types of rules and policies. Those are social responsibilities of the business. Those are social responsibilities of the business. By establishing a business organization, we can create employment sources. We can create employment sources. By creating employment sources, we can solve our unemployment problem in our country. Bangladesh is a developing country. Our employment sources are limited. If we establish business organization, we can solve our unemployment problem in our country, and we can earn more money. And government solves unemployment problem in our country. And the people of the country can change their livelihood for the development of their life, of their social life. Now we discuss about the responsibilities of the business. Can you tell me what is the past responsibility of the business? Anyone, can you tell me social responsibility of the business? Social responsibility of the business to the customer and consumer. Oh yes, customer and consumer. The person who purchases goods for selling to his another customer or another consumer. That is customer or consumer, the person who purchases goods for vanishing its utility, that is consumer and serve goods in time or within a short time, and serve goods without toxic chemical. Without toxic chemical. Toxic chemical is harmful for our health. Toxic chemical is harmful for our society, for our country. It can be damaged our body, or it can be destroyed our social people life. Then another responsibility to the employees or workers, mainly we should pay the salary or remuneration in time to the employees or workers. Then they complete their work smoothly for achieving their goal. Okay? Then responsibility to importers and suppliers. We should pay the importers product price or suppliers product price in time. Then another responsibility to the general communities. Then there are various types of communities people lives in our country. Hindu, Muslim, Buddhist, Christian, and there are various types of professional people lives in our country. So business organization or business men should serve on the people on the basis of social people's or community people's demand. Then responsibility to government, mainly we should pay tax in time to the government treasury. In the government treasury. And it can be used for the development of the country. Now, you can write down social responsibilities of business. Question. Social responsibility of business. Social responsibilities of business. Okay. Best of luck. See you again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Then we will meet our next class. Thank you. Thank you everybody.